Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Cuisine with a Twist. So on today's recipe, I'll be showing you how I made this jazzed up noodles served with oven grilled tilapia and watermelons. Yes, this is a simple recipe, even your 5-year-old can make it. No big deals. But hold on guys, have you subscribed? This is the point where you subscribe. Guys, click on the notification button so you always know when I have a new video uploaded, and tell your friends about it. Like this video guys, and let's get right into this recipe. Okay guys, see you on the flip side. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients we're going to be using for today's recipe. Here I have 5 packs of noodles, and I have some carrots and peas. These are frozen ones. I have chopped up jalapeno, a big one, and I have a bulb of onions and some olive oil for this recipe. I'll be cooking this in my Saladmaster electric oil core, so I'm just setting up the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit, and we'll plug that in and let the cookware get all warmed up and ready for us to use. So let's set that aside. So here is our noodles. So all we need to do right now is put some water into it just to soak it. This is totally optional. If you do not want to soak your noodles before you cook it, that is fine. But sometimes this just helps the cooking process be faster if you soak it beforehand. I have my hands all washed up here, and I just want to make sure that all the noodles are submerged in the water. So I'm going to break them up so we can get all of them in the water properly. And remember, you're not going to soak this for so long. Just soak it for about 3 to 5 minutes maximum. You don't want it all soggy. You just want it just a little bit soft. So our cookware is ready. We're going to put in some oil and start the cooking process. Okay, so here goes in our onions. I'm just going to saute this for a bit. We want all that flavor of the onions going into the cooking. And next I'm just going to add the jalapeno. Well, I just felt like the jalapeno wasn't going to give me that heat I wanted, so I decided to add some freshly cracked peppercorns to it. So I'm just going to give this like 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want it getting burnt. So here we are, 30 seconds later. So here I'm just going to add some water to I'm going to add about a cup and a half of water. You don't want to add so much water since you already have the noodles soaking in water. But if you want to cook the noodles without soaking, then you will have to increase the quantity of water you are adding at this point. So I'll just add the pack of seasonings that are in the noodles. I'm only using 3 packs to 5. I'm only using 3 of the sauces to 5 packs. I'm not using all. And you can also use chicken stock. For some other times I have used chicken stock, and when you're using chicken stock, you also need to reduce the quantity of the seasoning in the packets of the noodles, so you don't have your noodles really salted or overly salted. But just check it if you, depending on the way you like your noodles. So here we'll just make sure that everything is evenly settled in the cookware, and we'll add our peas and our carrots. Spread it out also so that you're sure that the heat is evenly distributed while it cooks. So I'm just going to pop the lid right on, then I'm turning down the heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to leave this to cook for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes after, look at what we have. Look at how the noodles is all cooked. All you need to do is really stir this so you're sure that it's all broken up. You don't want lumps. Just stir and shake it around. Well, just make sure you turn it all around very well to ensure that you separate them. And here we are. Our noodles is all ready. Tell me if a 5-year-old cannot make this. Simple, easy, no brainer, guys. So here comes our oven grilled tilapia, and our noodles comes on it, and here is our watermelon. So guys, please subscribe, and if you make this, please tag me until we upload our next video. You stay blessed. Love you all.